is called mechanical inverter. The term itself is self-explanatory. Mechanically, DC is converted to AC. We have so many electronic circuits to produce inverter circuits, but the thing that we are getting 50 Hz AC there, make no difference. To teach this rectification process very effectively, we want either this type of instrument where we have to overcome persistent vibration by movement. Otherwise, we have to reduce the frequency. Then also we can overcome persistent vibration. Due to the high frequency, we cannot recognize. Right. Once we have less frequency, we can see. So this attempt is to reduce the frequency and get the same effect of rectification. Now this is our DC source battery and indigenous design of two simple rings, one full ring and half rings. No, that reversal will take place. Full ring is given positive and negative, and output will get positive negative separately, just alternately. Let us try, we will work it out and tell you. Now see, there is one bulb glowing, red one, next green one. This reverse and forward bias connected diodes. What does it mean? Then what does it mean? That coming out, that output of this is actually AC. If it is DC, only one bulb should glow. So here both of them are glowing, means it came as AC. So DC source converted to AC, so it is called mechanical inverter. Now if I just turn with my own hands, so with a less frequency, alternatively we can see. And I am going to use this one, rotate using a motor, same system. It makes no difference like our ordinary AC. This input, if you given to that, you will get a separate patches. Is it not? Same, both of them are glowing, but not glowing. I am going to reduce the speed. See, speed is reduced.
We can able to see the fluctuation.
That our eye cannot now get that effect of persistence of vision. Frequency is reduced.
Right.
Now this same thing I am giving to this rectification process here. We have bridge rectifiers.
Right.
Usually we will tell one pair diode will conduct when it is positive, and when it is negative the other pair will, and we will get output constantly here.
Yes.
Now let us try this one practically with this instrument. Now as we were explaining, it's alright, once it is diode is working and blue indicates the output of the diode.
Right.
Now next half, what is happening, let us see. Next, other pair is working.
Other pair.
It's going on like that. Again, if we make it fast, all the levels will be working. We cannot recognize which pair. This is happening in our ordinary case.
Right.
If we reduce frequency, we can easily see. So less frequency, we are overcoming persistence of vision. Movement also, we are overcoming the persistence of vision. So a child or student get clear-cut concept that what happens is frequency, nothing else. So AC is there, DC is there, and what we cannot recognize is due to frequency as well as 1 by 100 case. So many concepts which are very abstract, we make it concrete. That is why the name given there, abstract concrete. We are making them realize this thing by their own experiment. And this one is center tap transformer. Center tap transformer plus minus, and we get ground to 0.
Right.
Full wave rectifier. One at a time.
Full wave. Right.
Then next, second one. It is given to common point.
Right.
Next. Again, make it fast. This is happening. Continuous output. To and fro. Continuously.
Beautifully designed.
These two ways we are teaching one concept. That means it is called reinforcement of the idea. Now we give different angles the idea that the concept is thorough. Whatever question may come from this, student will answer because they got the idea clearly. This is not about memory. This is not simply making it by heart. Now they know the sequence, the polarity.
They will learn the concept.
Yeah, the concept is given importance here, not methodology. So different methodology, we are giving different concepts in very different manner. Same rectifier. This one and this one the same. But here we have to move it again. Boys will be confused. Why moving? Without moving, it won't get. Oh, without moving, we
They
get.
have to recognize that.
So these two approaches we are giving. This my own design.
DC motor.
No, it is a disc actually, our CD disc. It's another working model only, don't worry.
Piston.
It is a DC, our
Disc.
CD disc.
Right. Painted.
Along with the motor we will get. And some sliding contact are there to give connection even if it is running.
Because it is rotating motion.
It is rotating. So there is a contact there back, sliding contact, brush arrangement. So it will go
As in motor.
Motor.
There is a contact like that.
Constant contact. That's right. Here we have seen that red one, the positive half. You can have negative half. Simple. Negative half is to
Changes.
It is negative half. Normally we are doing positive half. Half a full work.
With capacitor.
Same. Now we are getting negative half.
Right.
AC it make no difference, both the sides.
For students, it is very valuable. They have done very much. About this one, refraction?
This one I will just explain this one. I won't use laser. Laser is out now, battery